All right, so now we're moving on to installing the stepper motor and tightening the belt drive assembly. So your first step will be to grab your stepper bracket, which will attach to the stainless steel standoffs that are provided with the motor mount. What you'll note is that the smaller hole should align with your magnetic proximity sensor. You'll need to route the cable for your proximity sensor through this hole when installing this assembly. As you connect all of your fittings, leave them loose prior to doing your final tightening. On the back side, between the flange and the stepper motor, no washers are required as there isn't space to fit any. Prior to installing the stepper, you should have free movement within this assembly. Prior to tensioning your timing belt, be sure to secure the stepper to the stepper motor mount. Then, to tension your timing belt, simply apply force with one hand and then tension the mounting screws with your other. Spin the assembly. All should move smooth and effortlessly without binding.